Hi, I'm Saikat and you are watching TGSS Tech TV. Today I have the ultrasonic aroma humidifier. It is humidifier actually. I got this from Amazon for 600 Indian rupees and I got two essential oil. What is that? Essential oil, right?
Yes.
Okay, two essential oil, one is peppermint and one is lavender. I got both for 500 Indian rupees and I'm gonna review today this thing right here. Here you can see I have a close-up shot of this thing. This thing opens like this. Okay, I got it right this time. I used it actually. Here is a cotton, synthetic cotton, I think it is synthetic. It stays submerged into water and essential oil actually. So I should close the lid now. Here we have a capacitive touch button. It works three ways, 30-second on and off and LED controller. We have a RGB LED in the groove, which I'll show you later. And the smoke comes from, actually evaporates from here, which I will show you later. Okay. We have a power connector here. This is, you can see, USB type A connector from a vintage Nokia connector. This goes right here. And I have some water in this. Don't mind, please. Now I'm gonna put water in this jar actually. We don't have any specific measurement for water to fill, but now I'm gonna use lavender, my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna close the lid. This is the hardest part. Come on, come on. Yes, so let's turn this thing on. The fog is quite cold, or you can say this smoke or whatever this thing is, vapor. Okay. As I was saying, the touch button is quite not responsive. See, this aroma diffuser is coated with wood grain, which makes it looks very natural and primitive. It gives stable mist spraying, not wet on the desk. While if you put your hand on this mist, you will get wet. I mean, your hand will get wet. It is absolutely silent. They claims it that, but it is not actually silent. The RGB light is adjustable between bright and dim mode. Okay, so they claims it is adjustable between bright and dim mode, but our team doesn't have this much qualification to understand this thing. I said earlier that it has three modes of operation. One is intermittent spray, 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off, fog continuously and only the lamp. It will turn off automatically when the water runs out. Actually, it doesn't turn off. For 600 rupees, this thing is good, not quite good, but good. You can check out other products on the Amazon. The other humidifier uses specifically some humidifier which has a ceramic bowl, and you have to light a candle or it actually heats up the oil and the water. In this thing I didn't find any heating mechanism for actually vaporing the water. So they calls it ultrasonic aroma humidifier. I don't know, they use ultrasonic waves or whatever. Oh, okay. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, goodbye.